But we're following both from Delhi and in Mumbai the 22-year-old Kashmiri soldier Fayaz, who was off duty and unarmed when he was dragged out of the home of one of his relatives in Kulgam in South Kashmir by masked gunmen and shot multiple times by a module of the terror group Hizbul Mujahideen. Tanima Biswas is at the India Gate, where homage is being paid to this young army officer. Tanima, take us through what is going on around you and the mood right now where you are.
That's right. In fact, we can show you the visuals straight away to explain the mood. Here you can see there are several people who have joined the candlelight march, who are not just from the army but also from from the civilian society as well. Are you from the army, sir?
Yes, yes.
Saying? Yeah, yes. From a retired regiment, of course.
Okay.
So I just wanted to ask, like, you have come here with your family to be part, or like was the message sent out for you to join?
Unfortunately, family is not here. They are committed elsewhere, so we thought we should be here.
What's the message you are trying to send out by joining the candlelight march over here?
First, we are trying to remember him, the brave heart who laid down his life. He didn't know that what he was in for. It's a very brutal thing, and mutilated body by those terrorists. And also a stupid act, a dastardly act. Those bastards are to be flushed out and
we cannot say
the message is the youth of the country should come up together, and they shouldn't get scared by such acts. More and more officers, the young people should join Army, Navy, Air Force, and do something for the motherland.
Right. Thank you for joining us. So these were just some of the people, but what we can show you the scenes from India Gate over here. There are several people, retired officers, who have come to show their solidarity with the young Kashmiri soldier who lost his life, and the banner that you can see over there, they are people who are from his boarding school, who have come over here to show their solidarity. We were told at one point of time that his batchmates might also turn up, but what we are being told at the moment that may not be happening tonight. But then there are several people from the territorial army as well, a large contingent, around 62 of them, who have come over here, who are also participating in the candlelight vigil here at India Gate, essentially remembering Umar Faiz and saying that it is a very, very horrific incident which took place, unfortunate incident, a tragic loss of life of a young Kashmiri soldier. And the message to young people, essentially what they are saying is that this should not deter anyone from joining the army. They should join it, and that the people who have in fact been responsible for his death, they will be dealt with. Back to you.
Thanks so much, Tanima. Young, old, colleagues and complete strangers all are gathering to salute this young slain soldier.